In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off sport, or how Apple calls it, action mode on a camera app on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up camera app. First of all, guys, we need to switch it to video mode, because by default camera always starts in photo mode, and because action mode we can turn on just on a video mode. So once we switched to a video mode, right over here we can easily find that icon that is action mode icon. Actually, if that icon highlighted with that yellow circle, it means that action mode is currently turned on. By default, highly likely in your case, the icon will look like that. It is crossed out now. That means that action mode turned off. That's because we don't need action mode in our everyday life, because this mode is recommended for shooting fast-moving objects, such as athletes during a match, or maybe children who may move unpredictably during filming. You can just turn it on by tapping on it, and after that you can record a video as you normally do by tapping at that button. Once you are done with that, tap at that button again to stop recording a video, and then you can easily find it in this way, or you can find it at your Photos app in your main photo library. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.